So, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna do a Monkey's Got Talent, and this is our first contestant. His name is Hi. So, what is your talent for us today?
My skill, because I'm
Your
good
skill?
at bashing in forest, wall running, Lucio, getting out the map.
All right. Well, let's watch you jump around.
Let's go to forest.
Okay.
Do we all just go to forest or stay here?
Come on, guys. Okay. So, I want to watch you. Where did you go? You went so fast. Oh, there you are. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Good job, man. That's some really good scaling.
Now show me my wall.
All right, I think I have my answer. I'm going to give you an 8.5 out of 10. Everyone, all contestants, go back to city. All right, all contestants back to city. Okay, now I choose you. Come here.
Okay.
Okay, now what is your talent for us today?
My talent is doing silly laughs.
Silly laughs. I can do pretty silly laugh. All right, let's hear it. That was pretty funny.
Give me finger points.
Okay. If you don't, oh my gosh. All right, I think I have my rating. I give you a 7.5 out of 10. All right, next contestant, you. Come here. Okay. Now, what is your talent? Hey, contestants, be quiet. Now, what is your talent for us today?
I can speak monster.
Speak monster. All right, let's hear it. Whoa! Oh my gosh! The fact that actually scared me is crazy. Okay. I give you an 8 out of 10 because that was funny. Okay, now I choose dark green with party hat. You. Come on. Okay, now what is your talent for us today?
I'm good at farting.
What? Okay. Okay.
It's like a fucking chicken right now.
Okay, yeah, you've had enough. You've had enough. No, you've had enough. Okay, overall rating, 8 out of 10. Okay, blue. You.
I'm not blue, I'm purple. What you want, bro?
Oh, well, it looks blue. Okay, so what is your talent for us today?
What's up, chat? One, I can sound like Gojo, hence
Oh, you
the name.
can?
And two, I can make myself sound like I'm throwing up.
Oh. Okay, so let's,
I'll do
like,
the throw up one first.
okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Alright, chat. Alright, next.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready.
The reason you didn't win is because you didn't chop my head off when you had the chance.
That actually is pretty good. I like that.
Alright.
You know what?
I'm done.
I give you a 9.5 out of 10. Okay, that's enough. All right, you, next contestant, get down. All right, stop. What is your talent for us today?
I have two. I can spin like a helicopter and eat Doug the bug.
No, don't eat Doug the Bug.
Hey, what?
Okay, well, if I guess that. Okay, let's go. I mean, I don't want to watch Doug the Bug get eaten, but you know, I guess. Okay, dude, your talent's over. You don't need to do that laugh anymore. Where's Doug? Oh, Doug. Oh, Doug. He's hiding because he knows he's going to die. Unless...
How is he?
Oh,
I'm definitely not gonna kill
Doug.
your family.
Well, no.
What the heck? I mean, Doug, where the freaking are you? I found him. I found him.
Oh, yeah.
Girl, get over
All right.
here. I got Doug.
Oh, no.
Come here.
Okay, let's see. Oh, no. No! No! He's eating Doug! No!
Wait, no, give it to me real quick.
Stop it!
I want to do
Stop.
something.
No, okay, no, you've already done your, okay, now what's your next, audition?
I can spin like a helicopter.
Okay, well, let's see it. Hold on, I want to try.
How do you do that?
Oh my gosh, it's helicopters everywhere.
Come here if you want to. If you want to know.
Okay, everyone make a straight line. Make a straight line, okay?
My talent.
Make a straight line right here. Straight line right here. Right in front of me, straight line. Everyone.
Hey.
Yeah, straight line, okay?
Hey,
No. You behind. You behind. Party hat's in front. Y'all two in the back. Get in the back of the line. Get in. Okay, that's fine. It's
That's not
okay.
a party hat.
So,
What?
I'm gonna tell you your score, and if you won or not. Your score was an 8. So, unfortunately, you did not win. So, good audition though. Okay, next person. Okay, so you got a 9, and you were really close, but unfortunately, you did not win. Sorry. Good audition. Okay, so I liked your audition. It was funny. I gave you an 8.5. Unfortunately, you did not win. Sorry. Good audition though.
Look behind you. There's something right there behind you.
Okay,
Hiya, famous.
you
He just flicked you off.
are the winner. Okay, come here. Come here. No!
He skipped me.
Hey, good job, man. I really liked yours. Because I'm actually a fan of Jujutsu Kaisen myself, so.
Yeah, what was our score? You never told us.
Yes, I did. Oh, yeah. Y'all two.
Come on, y'all.
Yours was a 9, and yours was an 8.5. So y'all did good.
Yeah! I ate
Be
Doug.
proud of it.
Hey, friendship bracelet. Let's go, Chet.
Okay, well,
Even though I shove him up my butt. No, come back here. Come
Can
back
I
here.
be in the outro, Chet?
yeah, since you're the winner, come here.
Yeah, I got you, Chet.
Here, okay.
Adopted.
Okay,
Hold on.
I just muted
Wait, what's your
everyone.
name?
except you. Bucket VR.
Bucket
Boom.
VR?
Yeah.
Mute. Hold on. People are talking too much. Alright, Chet.
Okay, so, come here.
Oh, there
Okay, so, you are the winner. I really liked your act. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you, good sir.
yeah.
Thank you.
Now you shall be blessed with dolphin water. I can't.
Alright, y'all. Watch Jujutsu
Alright.
Kaisen. Have a good day, chat.
Yeah. subscribe
Gojo's out of here.
now, or else this thing will be staring at you while you're sleeping.
Subscribe and like, or else I'm gonna hollow purple all of your family members.
Oh, yeah, I suggest you like and subscribe. Alright, and y'all have a good day.
Controversial.
I love you. Goodbye, guys.